Hello there, and welcome to the Board of Directors. I'm Jackson with Pillar Property Management, and I wanted to make a little tutorial video for you as you're going to have some new features available to you through your portal. As a member of the board, you're going to make decisions that can affect the corporation and the ownership, so you want to make sure those decisions are well informed. In order to do that, we need to provide you with that information at your fingertips, so let me walk you through the portal, some of the new features available, and where you can find the information that you need to make those informed decisions. At first glance, not much has changed, but if you look on the left-hand side of your screen, you're going to see three new tabs available to you: Reports, Financials, and Bill Approvals. And there's also been some changes to your Documents tab, so let's start there first. If you click Documents, you're going to see a new folder available to you, labeled Corporate Documents. You'll find your corporation's declaration, reserve fund study, insurance policy, and bylaws within this folder. All of these documents are critical to you as a board member. They can help you make those informed decisions I was talking about earlier. Next, let's click on the Reports tab. From here, you'll be able to generate a variety of financial reports or maintenance-related reports. So if you click on Balance Sheet, for example, it'll have a list of your assets, liabilities, and equity as of a specific date. Once you click on that link, you'll be able to set the parameters of the report that you'd like to generate. So, you can select current date, day of current month, day of previous month, and so forth. You can also select it on a cash or accrual basis. And it allows you to format the report if you'd like to print it out, either as a PDF, in a portrait or landscape, or as an Excel spreadsheet and or a CSV. Once you've had all your parameters set, you just click Download Report and it'll be downloaded to your computer. Just for this video, we have a placeholder condominium uploaded here, so there isn't actually any financial data I could show you, but if you do have financial data uploaded, this is how you can figure out how to download the report. Same goes for the rest of these, so I'll just click on another random placeholder. Let's just do the income statement, for example. You'll have the parameters that you can set once you click into it, so you can do your accounts there, condo fees, reserve fund contributions, parking assessments, special assessment contributions if there is a special assessment out. You can select the date range, year-to-date, current month, current quarter, and so forth. Select the dates you'd like to have for that report to be generated, and if there's any intervals you'd like to add, you can do so there. And it'll also give you the option of cash or accrual basis, and then there's the report format again. That's either in portrait as a PDF, landscape, or an Excel spreadsheet, and or CSV. Likewise for the tasks report here on the right-hand side. So if you click completed tasks, you can see who it's assigned to, the category of the tasks, contribution requests, general inquiry, maintenance-related requests, or other and uncategorized. You can select a date range, and again, it'll give you the options to print out the reports in the format that you'd like. Now, if you go over to the Financials tab, this is where you can just see a general ledger for the corporation. Again, this is a placeholder condominium for the sake of this video, so there isn't any financial data uploaded here, but for your condominium, there definitely should be. And so you can select either on a cash or accrual basis to see the ledger and the date range. Once you put those in, you just press search and it'll pull up some more information for you. And then finally, down here, there's bill approvals. We always communicate directly with the board of directors for any and all quotes that we receive. They have to be authorized by the board. So there shouldn't be anything in here that comes as a surprise. If at all, you'll see all the bills that have been approved found under bill approvals. So there you go. That's the portal in its entirety and some of the new features that are made available to you as a member of the board. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns that weren't answered by this video, please feel free to reach out to my office by phone call, email, or sending a chat through the portal. I'd also like to thank you on behalf of your board of directors for volunteering for this position. The decisions that need to get made, the time commitment involved, and some of the headaches that result from it is a load we intend on lightening as your property manager, and we look forward to working with you in the future to improving your community. Once again, I'm Jackson from Pillar Property Management, and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We'll talk to you soon.